it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is an Old Navy try-on haul. I don't really know if we should call it a review. I like Old Navy, but it's still reviewing items that I purchased on a whim because I had a stomach virus and I did a poll on Instagram and Old Navy won by a landslide, so I ordered so much stuff. And then sick Taren at the time thought, I just must be rich, so let's do overnight shipping. So I paid for overnight shipping. The next day, this box arrived. So we are going to unbox this together. Try everything on. I will list prices, sizes, links, everything in the description box down below. The one thing I will tell you that I'm a little disappointed about. So I did an Old Navy video like fall inside the dressing room and store. I don't know how long ago. I'll link that one down below. I opted for the website this go round because there's so much more. My store doesn't really carry a lot of plus size, but in that video inside the dressing room, I tried on this like gorgeous blue speckled oversized sweater. It was straight sizing in an extra, extra large. I loved it. Found it online. It was on sale. I ordered it and then I got a notification that they didn't have it anymore. So that is not in this box. I'm very disappointed. I didn't get it from the plus size because it was like $10 more in the plus size and we don't play that game. So if you want to see this massive haul and how I shop on a whim when I don't feel well, then keep watching. Just to give you an idea, a sneak peek of all the things that are in here. That looks cute. Pants. This, I'm pretty sure, is like an oversized jacket. I can see the tie. There is so much stuff in here. Okay, looking at my order here on my computer, it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items. I spent a total of $372.98. It does look like I got a discount, $72.89 in discounts. Not really sure what that promotion coupon code was, but I paid $22 for overnight shipping, or next day shipping, I guess. So we're just gonna pull some stuff out. First thing I have is a pair of jeans, and for the purposes of having an outfit, let's pull this black top. I remember that I ordered jeans that were different from what I own. So no skinny jeans, distressing, that sort of thing. So first, I don't even know if I can talk about the top because these pants are amazing. Oh, okay. I kind of love these. They're pull-on, but they have actual pockets in the front. In my experience with pull-on pants, typically they don't have pockets, like they're fake pockets. These are so comfortable. This is the perfect size. They come above my belly button. Okay, I love these. Now to the top, I love how high in the neck that it is. Like it's such a cute, like high, I don't know, I like that. I like the length on it. I appreciate a little bit of extra length. It is a tad bit snug. It may not look like it, but it just feels a little bit clingy, may not be the right word, just a little bit fitted. But I don't own a plain black tee like this. I have a couple from Target that are V-neck, but they're a little bit of that like heather material, so you can almost see through them a little bit. So this one might be a keeper for $8. This whole outfit might be a keeper. These, should I trade them out and get them in long? Because I could wear boots and stuff with them if they were a little bit longer. Let me know. I'm gonna leave the same jeans on for a little while because I think I only have one other pair of bottoms. Next thing I'm pulling out, I'm pretty sure is a cardigan. Who doesn't love an oversized cardigan? No pockets, right? Yeah, no pockets. Oh, this looks nice. Like with this outfit, would be so cute. Okay, I like the size 3X. I love the length on this. The color is gorgeous. Like jewel tones, I feel like just make my heart happy. And I just love it. Okay, so this could be a keeper too. See, this is how it happens. I order all this stuff and I'm like, I'll do it for a video. We won't keep any of it. And then everything in the box, I'm like, keep, keep, keep. And then I don't have any money left. Y'all, I'm looking through this. There's so many more pairs of pants in here. So we're gonna pull out these like corduroy pants. So we're gonna do these and maybe pair it with this top. This outfit is super cute too. Oh my gosh. I might love this outfit more than the bootcut jean outfit. I just love this pop of color and the sweater. This is cute with some like neutral colored little booties. Okay, what do we think about this outfit? Is this one your new favorite too? Or is it just me? I mean, I may not need the jeans. Like, I've got a pair of jeans similar to this in like a burgundy and a black actually. So I can get away with not owning this like coral color, but this top is really comfortable. It's kind of lightweight too. It's not like super heavy, which is good for where I live. I love how long it is in the back. Let's pull this sweater next because I think that this would be really cute with the pants that I'm wearing. Okay, this is like Christmas party. Like, I've got some festive going on, my pants are pink. Let's go to the Christmas party. Okay, another good one. I really like this one too. This sweater is a good size, it's a good length. I love this bit at the top. It's like a proper sweater material, so it is a little bit thicker. And when you pair it with like pants like this, it's just like a pop of color. You can see like it kind of matches pretty well too. All right, this one is a go. Is it? I need your help. I like this. I don't know if I need it in my wardrobe. Like, it's not really that cold that often here. But this is a really cute outfit, right? Next, let's do this little bit of a coral. No, it's more of like a mauve. Oh, it's a blouse material. Tunic length. Okay, we're gonna do this, but let's change the pants because there's only a couple things left. I have some leggings. So let's do the tunic with the leggings. I think I kind of hit the jackpot with this one too. I like that this is long sleeve. I unbuttoned two of the buttons at the top. It is a great length, tunic length. I appreciate these leggings are nice. Super high-waisted. They're in a size 3X. So I think that I could have sized down, but I wasn't sure and I didn't want them to be too small. So this is actually a super cute outfit too. It's very comfortable. I mean, you would need to steam the shirt a little bit, obviously. I do really like this though. I think this is a great option for when it's cooler. This could even be kind of dressed down with some little like sneakers, or you could wear some black boots, dress it up a bit. So this is a good one. Next thing I'm dying to try is this jacket. It is like a blue-ish, yeah, bluish like snow leopard. Zips all the way up. I'm pretty sure this one is in a size 3X because, you know, if it's that cold outside, you need room to wear like a sweatshirt or long sleeves or something underneath it. Let's zip it up how I imagine it in my head. Then we got a tie. Yeah, see, with that pop of color underneath it. Do I have pockets? I need to cut. Like, I can't get my hand in there. They've sewn them shut, but I would cut them open. This is a great, oh my gosh. All right, this could be another winner. Absolutely adorable. So cute. It feels nice. It fits nice. All right, I have one pair of pants left. They are yellow. They're chinos. I'm excited for these. So here's the last pants. These are wide leg chinos. They're cropped. These pockets are super tiny right there. They fit really well. They're not high-waisted. They're probably ½ an inch below my belly button. But the model had these on with a pair of like leopard flats and she looked so cute. These feel nice, like with a white top and some leopard flats. Could be really, really cute. They do have proper pockets in the back. Do we like these? These are something different for me. So do we like them? Do we not? I like that they're different. I could get used to them. Now that I'm a little sweaty, you have seen everything in this massive Old Navy winter haul. Let me know in the comment section down below what you liked, what you didn't like. Links to everything with sizes linked in the description box down below, and that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye. Look at my filming buddy back there. She sits there typically in most videos, or sometimes she'll sit like right here in front of me.